Hello everyone, myself Pralika
and myself Durga Bhavan.
We are studying in 5th class in our Shantaniketan English Medium School, Gorinta.
Today we are explain about the process of water purification.
We can change dirty water into purified water by this process.
The material required for water purification are charcoal, big pebbles, small pebbles, sand, cotton.
First, take dirty water and pour it into charcoal. This is first step of the water purification.
Next, it will be go to big bubbles. This is second step of the water purification.
Next, it will be go to small bubbles. This is third step of the water purification.
Next, it will be go to sand. This is fourth step of the water purification.
And lastly, it will be go to cotton and come out as purified.
We can see purified water after finishing this process.
Finally, we change dirty water into purified water. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to us.